to the North Pole.
Come again?
Last night, Red One, also known as St. Nicholas of Myra, was abducted.
Are you saying Santa Claus has been kidnapped?
You're the best tracker in the world.
Garcia? What's the plan? Should we do the thing? I'm afraid we're gonna have to.
You're mine until we find him.
Oh, God!
I suggest you get going.
It's 405. Tickets are for us, guys. 440. We have a seance 440. We are driving to cinema to watch the Red One, kind of expensive film.
Love to the beat. These kids have been waiting a long time.
Look, man, it'll take 2 minutes. He puts on the shirt and he says, now we beefing.
What are you so excited about? Oh, of course. Let's go home.
Santa? Look, Santa! What? Hey guys, so I was watching, well, last week, the Red One, and the reviews about this movie are, well, average, and some comments are literally horrible. Well, I did approach to this movie very similar, like, well, I heard about Jumanji and all the stuff because the same producer was doing this or something like that, but like I know that the same team was working on it. I think so. Although, well, it's like really is plenty of bad reviews, and overall I don't like this. I like Christmas, but this genre of like Santa, Violent Night, like that last year I was watching, although I like this movie, The Violent Night, but I don't like when they mixed Santa and Christmas with some kind of violence, and with the trailer we have it. But to be honest, I would say that this is, I did like long time ago I was watching with Tim Allen this 3 edition of Santa Claus, and I can say this was more for like kids, and with this Red One we can have something that for it's for like a grown ones. And to be honest, I gonna be straight, I'm not biased here because I don't necessarily like The Rock, I don't necessarily like Chris Evans, and I don't like, actually I don't like, I have like a mix of feeling when I see this as younger. I like this guy who is playing Santa, but I forgot how was his name. But overall, I went there because I want to watch some kind of Christmas movie, and to be honest, I'm shocked. And someone was like saying that 250 million for this movie. No, I can say easily that this cost a lot, and they really made a phenomenal work. I don't know how someone can say like this is bad, like they mess it up. I can say easily they made a fantastic movie. It's plenty of like crazy ideas there, like crazy, not something new, like really new. I like a lot a Krampus. I like when the Krampus actually, well, maybe you didn't watch it, but Krampus actually helped at the end Santa, and everything was actually pretty damn nice. So it's definitely not close to the Violent Night I was watching last year.
Who the hell are you?
And honestly, I don't know, I will give it really high score here. Like, I did like everything, and something new, something fresh, I think was like really packed. So I have no idea why actually people are talking bad about this movie, because honestly, I'm really surprised. I was very surprised. I did like this movie. Everything about this movie actually was something that I liked. There's nothing there that literally I would say, hey, this is bad, I didn't like it. Literally everything over there was, I think, crazy good. It was perfect. I would say that I was shocked how good this film is. Moreover, you have also some kind of like a Hallmark a little bit vibe. So you have this, like, they were talking like, you know, this like touching the heart, like women are saying that this touched my heart. So yeah, you have this touch story over there. Like 2-3 times they're gonna talk about the kids, Natalie's, and all that stuff, and it really was very mindful. I don't know why people are giving it this like bad reviews, but to be honest, I can score it high. And I'm not gonna lie that this is definitely one of the best movies I watch. And if I will have to put this movie somewhere on my shelf with my favorites, this will be on the top one, on top of the shelf. I would say it's fantastic. I literally love this movie. I think that is how they play it, the ideas over there, the effects are fantastic. When like they run with the Santa. They didn't actually catch the Santa. They did catch the Santa, but Santa actually, oh well, you have to watch it. Really, everything over there was looking crazy good and was fantastic. I can say, I have to say it. I know I'm going under the wind, but it was fantastic. It was far away from Jumanji. I didn't like Jumanji. I was watching this a little bit and was like, this is not definitely something for me. But Red One, it's really good. The ideas over there, different kind of ideas, because, you know, mostly those ideas kind of repeat themselves. We have something new, but in those movies, but in this one, everything, literally everything is new and fun, really fun. So I recommend this film, and I can easily, guys, give this movie like 8.5, 9 even, and this is crazy high for me. So I don't get it, the bad reviews. Maybe some like guys just approach to this movie in a bad way, or did they expect that Rock gonna destroy like things over there. I don't know what they were like expecting from this movie, but I can really rank from the whole like perspective of scenography, after the effects, you know, sound design, the ideas, new ideas, how they like make the, you know, the Santa and elves that were actually huge. The effects over there are big, really big, but you have to go to cinema. And well, the Krampus story really was the good one. and I don't know, but like for me it was excellent. It was definitely a shock, and this was something new. For a long time I didn't get anything like this, like from the HISENSE movie, and it's definitely top of my shelf. It's so good, it's so good. Yeah, go and watch it. And that's basically it, guys. Like and subscribe, stay with me. Links down below if you wanna support me, to my equipment, cameras, GoPros, DJI Osmo Action 4 and other stuff, just to support me. Go in there, click it, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.